Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be sharing with you some of my skincare and makeup essentials for Florida. We are going in a couple of days. It is supposed to be extremely hot, so sweaty weather, lots of sunshine. So I want to protect my skin and also wear makeup that it's not gonna melt off of my skin. Both of these bags are from 31. I have some room in this one, which I will most likely be adding some of my husband's toiletries in here. And then this is all my makeup stuff. So without further ado, let's get into it. And before I get into it, next week I will be sharing my full packing video, which I will include some of this stuff as well. So if you want to see how I pack, how my brain works when I pack my stuff, make sure you check back next Thursday for that video. So in here I am keeping skincare, and over here is makeup. So I'm gonna go over it with you just to see what I have packed. So I have my reusable makeup removing pads. In here I have a Norwex antibacterial body thing. I like to wipe my face down in the morning with this stuff, not use any of the cleansers, just because I cleanse at night. I just have a body spray by Evershare. It's in Lagoon Moisturizing Body Mist. It smells very tropical. So then I have my Pixi Skin Treats Vitamin Makeup Mist. Wake Up Mist, not Makeup Mist. I always say Wake Up Mist. Then I have my Nivea Q10 with SPF 30 cream. I also have this moisturizing cream because this one's almost out, so I'm just taking both of these. I'm trying to use them up. And then I have the Q10 Anti-Wrinkle Night Cream. And then I have the Fresh Sea Berry Skin Nutrition Booster. I apply this a couple times, like every third day or so. And then I also am packing the Caudalie Rhino Perfect Serum, Radiant Serum. So kind of this goes on every third day. This one I will put every night. And then just my Origins Night Cream. If you follow me, you know I use two different ones, one for night, one for day, but I am just taking the one. And then I have the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, as well as eye makeup remover. And then I have my Fresh Sugar Lip Care in here and some Q-tips. I have a little sample of Glam Glow. It's actually this one, Glam Glow Glow Starter. And then I just shoved it in there. And then my deodorant, and then just some feminine wipes. And I also have the Vichy SPF 30 lotion for my face. I will be doubling up on sunscreen to protect from Florida sun. One more thing that I'm going to put in here is my Drunk Elephant Peaky Bar. It is, I'll just go grab it so I can show it to you. Soap for my face. And this is just for everyday cleaning. I usually use this after I use the balm to take the makeup off. But I'm still using it, so it's still in my washroom. And then for my makeup, I've tried to pare it down as much as possible. Sometimes I get carried away with eyeshadows. So for the eyeshadow, I'm taking the White Peach by Too Faced, just because it has nice summery colors. And then I'm also taking the Nudes. I just like how compact this one is, so I'm trying to take the smaller palettes, and this is just your everyday colors. I don't know how much I'm gonna be putting it on, but I like to have it. Then I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush palette, as well as Natural Face. I probably don't need to take the Anastasia, because this Too Faced, it comes with highlighters, blushes, and bronzer. But I have room, so I'm just stuck it in there. And I also have the NYX cream blush in case if these ones don't work very well because of the heat. Then I have the LA Girl setting spray. I am trying out this Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. It is sweat resistant, and I think it's waterproof as well. Somebody had said, not quite. Oh, I researched it on Pinterest, and this one had come repeatedly up. So I tried it yesterday, and it did look really well. It was very light. Then I am just taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder, setting powder, just for my under eye. I tend not to put it all over my face in the heat, because I find it clumps a little bit. Then I'm using the CoverGirl Outlast All Day Primer. I've had this primer for such a long time because I only use it when we go away. Probably should chuck it. And then I also put the It Cosmetics CC cream. This one is with SPF 50, just because in case if I did not like the way that one was wearing, I am bringing that as backup. Naked Skin, my concealer. I also am bringing my under eye concealer by It Cosmetics. This one is actually waterproof as well, so that's good. And then another waterproof thing that I'm trying is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. I put it on yesterday, and it did fare okay. It did not smudge too much or kind of leave a residue under my eye, so that's good. But I will give it a full review probably when I get back, once I had a chance to actually use it in a very humid weather. And then I'm just gonna take this tinted brow mascara. That's not waterproof, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work out. I might not end up using it. And then just a whole bunch of different brushes. And then over here, I am just taking 3 different lip stains. So the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in, what color is this? This one is in shade Seduction 630. And then my favorite is the it's the Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 15, I think it is, the Lover. That's this one's my favorite. And then I am taking the Tarte, I just can't see what it says, Tartist in, I don't think this one has a shade. It says OF43. I'm not sure if that's the shade color. Lip pencil, and then the e.l.f. This is the eye primer. I think it's by e.l.f. And I'm also taking the Amethyst Caviar Stick Eye Color. And 2 eyeliners. One is by Rimmel, I think, and the other one is by Sormay. I like this one because it has a correction side on it, so I use it more for that than actual eyeliner because it's too light. And yeah, and then a whole bunch of eye shadow brushes. So I think that's it. I think I'm pretty good. I did want to buy another primer, just ran out of time, so I'll just make do with what I have. Much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I am trying some new products here, so I'm looking forward to see how they're gonna work. Let me know in comments below if you use any of these, especially the foundation and the mascara, and how you like them, and if you did not like them. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.